Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing with you a cabbage spice recipe. These pies are soft and fragrant with cabbage filling that everybody will love. Enjoy the pies for dinner or save them for another meal. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you'll find many interesting recipes. Start by preheating the dough. Stir well 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 medium egg, room temperature, and 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, or any oil of your choice. Next, gradually add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. First, knead the dough with a spoon, then with your hands. You can also use a stand mixture. Knead the dough until smooth and pulse away from the side of the bowl. Cover and let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. Then knead the dough again for a few minutes. Add some oil to a bowl. Cover and let the dough rest about 1 hour in one place until doubled in size. Meanwhile, preparing a filling. Chop up half a medium onion, half a medium carrot, and 10 ounces of cabbage. Heat a pan with 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, add the onion and carrot, and cook over medium heat about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the cabbage. One tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered chili pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste. Stir well, cover with the lid, and cook over low heat about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the filling is cooked, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. It's been 1 hour. The dough has rested. Divide the dough into 12 pieces. Each piece is 65 grams. Cover them and let it rest about 10 minutes. Roll out each piece with a rolling pin or flatten with your hands. Put about 2 teaspoons of filling in the center, pin the edges of each bias, and form into a ball. Transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, cover and let it rest again about 30 minutes. After that, brush with beaten egg, add sesame seed on top. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once the pies are baked, let them cool slightly. These pies you can serve warm or cold. They're so soft and fragrant that you can't resist. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.